Hello, Big Panther Cats! Welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, I'm very excited to be doing this. We are going to be rebuilding the LEGO Ninjago Destiny's Bounty. And this is going to be a full-on experience, like documenting every aspect and just me rebuilding this set and just wanting to share that with you guys. So I've got all the manuals, I've got all the parts, and now it's time to get on with the build. I got you guys set up right here to get a perfect overview shot of everything, all the action, and we're gonna get to my favorite part, dumping out the pieces. Oh my gosh, that truly signifies a LEGO build getting ready to happen. Now I should stress, there are some sub parts and this is not 100% complete, but I will, find those parts as I continue building sets and eliminating other parts from my collection. So without further ado, let's get into the build. I have so many fond memories of this set in particular. This was, I think, definitely years of my childhood and where I was a heavy Ninjago fan at the time. And oh my gosh, this set is art. Like, even though I'm not even that far into the build already, it is taking me back to the good years of LEGO Ninjago. We got our first minifig here, Lord Garmadon, looking absolutely peak in his forearm stance. Got his little weapon right there. Excellent, love it. Another character you gotta absolutely love is Sensei Wu. Oh my god, with the OG tan hat, that is just absolutely wonderful. Love to see that. Apologies guys in advance, that is my parents in the background. They just ran an errand, but they just came back. Here we got Zane decked out in samurai armor, looking absolutely sweet. Yeah. Gotta find Jay's weapon. Okay. It's somewhere. Tiny little little silver weapon, so it makes it hard to find. And you know, if it doesn't turn up right now, I know I'll find it because it's in this file, so I'm not overly worried. Let's just move on for now. And I'll get the serpentine warriors all built up. I won't show you Jay until he is 100% built with his weapon, of course. But there we have the serpentine warrior. And then finally we'll get to the last minifig of the set, and that is Scales, the Serpentine General. His head is gotta be somewhere. That'd be funny if that was the one piece, which I actually do think I forgot that. Oh my gosh. I actually forgot a piece. That is hilarious. I said it was 100% complete. I ended up forgetting a piece. After a while of struggling, I got it. But I'm gonna, get some of the starter builds out of the way. And I'll come back and kind of show you guys the progress as things get built up. After several long hours of building, we finally have the complete Destiny's Bounty. Oh my gosh, this set really does take me back to the good old days of LEGO. Oh man, got the Serpentine and Garmadon, got the Ninja weaponed up, got a crate with a map Nnjago. We got Sensei Wu. It's truly just the most epic set. And even just coming down to the simple features of picking up the model and transforming it into the Flying Bounty. I think, is that right? Yeah, let me double check the instructions. I just want to make sure I put them on right. Yeah, I don't think I did. Let me fix that. I figured it out. It just wasn't all the way back far enough. That's okay. Alright. It's a little old, but I got it. I'm so happy to finally have the set built. I was originally planning to do a live stream, but it was, basically it was still verifying, so I had another 23 hours or so to basically until I could stream anything. But that is the building up of LEGO Ninjago's Destiny's Bounty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this set really does inspire you to break out another old LEGO set or even an old Nnjago set. Hopefully so. But likewise, I will see you in the next LEGO video.